Hi guys, welcome back to Sagui and Maps, and yeah, come with us on our vlog. Yeah, guys, please tell me what made me think that I want to go hiking. Koda, let's go. So we are making our way to the Klipriviersburg. What do they call it? I think it's nature reserve, but there's a hiking trail there. I can't believe that I stayed in the south and I did not know. Because what? Me, I stay in the house. I don't go anywhere. That's my problem. Mara, look say famba. And it's not too far. So I guess I was just being lazy. It's not too far, honestly, from where I would be staying. It's there's the gate. See. And by then there was already a lot of people when I was wearing a crop top. Baby, can't go back. Why are you stepping on me?
Weather ya I can get some like a travel very low. It's either I got Zanaka green or I got Zanaka blue or Zanama Tavera Mela Tavela Razama. Arna Melata.
We didn't take a picture together.
What picture?
Workout resumed.
Hey, why are you doing that?
Workout paused.
First thing you want to do everything.
Workout resumed.
I want to say Mara. You are.
Fine, I'm disappearing.
We must start running.
Running?
Yeah.
How?
Erna Mela Mala, we are running.
Okay.
Erna Mela Tavela.
We're going to the mountain?
Retro Mela, like that's a good wish.
I flexed my room.
Workout resumed.
Malaba Jerry number was Kamagalausa boy. Koloi Shalagamo. But Gamgava Jule. But some more. We just such party. I didn't know Amara di Chava Thomas. Warning, slippery, slippery when wet, like cuckoo. Rilo crosser no canyon elaga, Nile River elana. Hey!
Workout paused.
Eish, le jogona di sa thoma o mela di lo butswa ka bo December. Eish.
Workout paused.
Lo jana tse go botsang ka tsona tse di brown nyana.
Wind.
Are man, don't be slow man.
It's okay.
Yeah. Eish, di kgonyešitše manna for mollo man.
Oh my gosh, those people.
Yeah, ba foloile ke rena re mo thabeng no.
So how are they gonna pass?
O na le tsela man, are. Ape motho a tswa fa o thoma o botša question tše dintši. How are we going to pass? Let's avoid that.
Yeah.
Ke rile ke di-wild beast. Yeah, yeah. E banna. Mona
This is so wrong.
and I give you 10,000, love. Right? 10,000. But if you lose, you're gonna have to give me 10,000. 10,000 rands cash. Right?
Oh gosh, why are they doing this? Good.
Let's go.
If they rob us.
10,000, right? If you win. Right? Right? Or what it's all about. Unfortunately, she's willing to lose that 10,000 that I've promised. Oh, out it's all.
But I need to rest.
But I said 10,000. Ogana 10,000. Yamahala. Just for walking. 10 kilometers. 1,000 rand per successful kilometer.
Sure.
Hey, I want to hike. Hey, yeah, I want to hike. I'm a Ferrari, I'm a Lamborghini, I'm a McLaren, I want to hike. I'm as tough as Ford Raptor. Ford Raptor? She gave a metsi wale Ford Raptor, you know what mix the oil le metsi. Raptor? Are, you said you are a Raptor, let's go. Hello guys, at least now our Raptor there, our 3.0 V6 292 kilowatts and 2000 Newton meters of torque has finally cooled down. And now we are on top of the mountain. Maybe that's why our Raptor is, it's even capturing me a video.
Yeah.
Oh, Raptor, sorry. Okay. Now it's gonna be easy for a Ford Raptor. We're going downhill. But going downhill cannot be a Ford Raptor. Ford Raptor enjoys going uphill because it has too much torque and power. So maybe this is a, what do we call that car? It's a, no, Quid cannot make it here.
Is this the right side?
Are,
Is it?
where is it going? No, I don't think. I think we are lost. You think that is the right side? I guess so. Yeah, are it's going there. If I went into an area rectangle, yeah, Marakio, and I open chats a letter